Hello again. Thanks again for doing your first consultation. Of course, I know it went well. My team has been highly trained by myself. Just got to pat myself on the back. But either way, I know the first consultation went well. So a couple things between now and the next time that we have a conversation with you. Be sure not to apply for anything unless you run it by us. The entire team takes a look at every text message that comes in, every email that comes in, and if there's something that my team doesn't have the answer for right away, then they'll of course get a manager involved, and if they don't know, then of course they'll reach higher up and they'll get me involved if necessary. So you don't want to apply for anything along the way unless we tell you to. Okay, now we do understand that sometimes some lifestyle changes can happen along the way. Sometimes we've had clients where their income has dropped because of their job. They've lost their job. They've had a baby. They need another car, that type of thing. Trust me, we get it. But do understand that because of those lifestyle changes, it can affect your score negatively. Okay, you want to try to keep from being late on credit card bills or any bill for that matter, because we know payment history is going to be a major factor along the way. Okay, and again, if you have any questions along the way, please feel free to send us an email. The entire company gets every single email that comes through, so we want to make sure that that downtime that you're waiting for us to get back is less than 24 to 48 hours. For the most part, we try to get back to it the same day, but there are times where we're busy, or of course if we're closed. Okay, so but just want to run that by you, and we will see you on the next consultation.